Hello, Tarw.
Hi.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Georj.
Hello, my name is Lucy. Great to meet you, Georj.
Would you to explain something about microwave, Tom?
What?
Would you to explain something to me, please?
What do you mean?
Want to know about microwave.
You want to know about microwaves?
J.
What do you need to know?
My microwave is 600 watts, build the packaging SETA, the force for microwave is 750 or 850 watts.
What?
My microwave is not rigged because I have no good direct setting on it.
Your microwave doesn't work because you haven't got the right setting on it?
J.
What setting do you need on it?
The 750 or 850 watts setting.
The 750 watt or 850 watt setting?
Oui.
Oh, can't you just adjust it manually or digitally, and choose a time between the allocated time, recommended for a 750 or 850 watt setting?
No, because there is no digital setting on it, it is very hard to get the big button exactly in the middle.
It's hard to get the big button exactly in the middle?
Pour moi, oui.
I see. So you've got the 800 watt setting, but not the 850 or 750 watt setting?
Exactly.
Can't you just guess the right time?
No.
Why not?
No, it could be dangerous.
It could be dangerous?
Possible. The food may not be cooked right.
The food may not be cooked right?
J.
Well, my microwave has the 600, the 750, the 800 and the 850 watt setting.
You know the 650 watt setting.
No, it doesn't have the 650 watt setting. Does it matter?
I am not sure.
I don't think it matters, does it? And just because your hands are too fat for you to be able to put the timing button in between the time recommended for a 750 or 850 watts microwave doesn't mean you have the right to whinge and disturb me, does it?
You bitch.
What did you say?
You are.
Why did you have to come and talk to me, you freak?
I wanted to ask about the microwave.
You wanted to ask about the microwave.
Oui, madame.
Who are you anyway?
Georj.
Look, I'm just minding my own business, having a little drink and catching up on some emailing. I'm finding you very annoying.
I just wanted to know about the microwave.
You are totally weird.
Please explain it.
Please be quiet. You weirdo.
Oh.
God, I can't wait for this journey to end.